Welcome back to our daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Wednesday, 30th of October. Dollar yen is going to be an interesting mover, I think, in the next 24 hours. We've got not only the Federal Reserve, but also the Bank of Japan to consider. Both central banks giving monetary policy updates, and at the moment, the dollar yen is still flirting with this 109 big figure level, that key medium-term pivot line at 109 figure. It's been testing it in the last few days. It's just backed off a little bit today, but to be honest, the momentum indicators are still positively configured. Across RSI above 60, MACD line still rising, stochastics rising above 80. So it still would suggest that little corrections are a chance to buy for the likely continued test and potential breakout above 109 figure. This is a key ceiling though, and it hasn't yet been broken on any decisive manner. Yes, just a handful of pips it got to the upside above 109 figure yesterday, but nothing of any decisiveness. 109.30 was that reaction high from August, that initial breakout that just completely and utterly failed. So that is obviously another level to look at, but for now the market is testing or looking towards a test of 109 figure. Just backed off a little bit today, but we're waiting for the Fed. Now, how the Fed cuts interest rates today, they are expected to cut and by 25 basis points, but how they cut interest rates is going to be crucial. Is the Fed going to produce give a message of that they're going to be going on hold for a bit? That will be an interesting point. Is that the case? So we're looking out for that sort of message today, and that could generate a little bit of dollar strengthening again, but any sort of caution in that statement I think could well be dragging dollar lower. Dollar yen would be sort of coming off on the back of that. So we've got the hourly chart, which just shows minor move towards positive bias, sort of testing 70 in recent days. 40 seems to be supportive on RSI, above neutral on MACD, although just a shade below it at the moment. So it's just a market that is biding its time really, and waiting for these two central banks to give an update and see where we're at after then. Can we break out above 109 figure is the question. So I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars.